Hi! Tomorrow is National Hummus Day, and therefore I thought today would be the perfect day to share with you my hummus recipe. This is a recipe I learned from my mom, and every time we host someone and they try the hummus, they say it's the best hummus they ever had. So I thought it would be nice to share it with you guys, and now without further ado, let's get to the recipe. The ingredients you will need are 2 cups of chickpeas. I have a video on how to cook legumes from dry, including chickpeas. And in my house, we normally cook legumes in a large batch and then freeze them. So all I had to do was defrost them. And the way I do it is I add the 2 cups of frozen chickpeas to a bowl. Then I pour on top of it some boiling water, strain it, and it's good to go. You will also need half a cup of tahini, the juice of 1 big lemon or 2 small limes, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cumin, and about a cup of lukewarm water. To prepare the hummus, start by adding to a food processor the chickpeas and garlic cloves, and process it for about 2 minutes. Next, you will add in the lemon juice, the spices, the tahini, and half a cup of water. Process for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then you will check on the consistency of the hummus, and you might need to add a little bit more water to get the consistency you desire. I ended up adding about a 1/4 cup of water, making it a total of 3/4 cups of water to get a nice smooth consistency like I prefer. Then when I got the consistency I like, I served the hummus into a dip dish. And then what I like to do is create a small dent all around the dish, either using a spoon or a small spatula, and add on top of it some za'atar, paprika, and whole chickpeas. I think this adds great flavor, as well as of course it makes it look nicer. Normally when I prepare hummus, I make a big batch of it in order for me to have it in the fridge for a few days and eat it in different ways. I enjoy eating the hummus many times as a snack with a side of veggies where I dip them in. You can do any veggies you like, maybe celery or broccoli, but my favorites are carrots and cucumbers. You can also dip in some pita chips, or you can do a whole falafel Middle Eastern style meal, which I have a video on how to do that I can link up here as well as leave in the description below. That is all for today's video. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. You can always also share a picture of it and tag me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here in the Living Life Simply channel, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you very soon with a new recipe. Bye!